welcome back. And today we're going to talk about for loops in Python. Let's get into it.
And so the first example I'm going to show you is writing text to your friends saying hi. So, for example, print, I want to say, hi, Aaron. Next, we're going to print, hi. Oops, make sure I put the parentheses in there, otherwise it won't work as a string. Robert. Finally, I'm going to say hi to myself. Hi. I can spell hi today. Colin, and we run this. Get hi Aaron, hi Robert, hi Colin. So this is one way of writing text to your friends, but you might find this to be a little too repetitive. And so here's an easier way to go about this. So let's create a list of names. Aaron, Robert, Colin, and let's create a for loop. So for name in names, print, make sure this is an F string, hi. We have these braces here. Name. So I'm just going to explain how this for loop works. So this is the for loop. So this name refers to each of these names here, each of these strings in this list of names. So for these strings in this list, print hi and enter this variable name, Aaron Robert Colin, in here, and it'll print out this little phrase here. So let's see if it works. And it does. Hi Aaron, hi Robert, hi Colin. So this is very useful for very repetitive tasks at your job at school. And so I hope you've enjoyed this.
And so that concludes my video about for loops in Python for beginners. If you want to watch my latest video about getting out of tutorial hell, please click over here. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next time.